Hey everybody, today we're revisiting a garden landscape that we installed 2 years ago, designed and installed. This is a native plant garden, so all the plants are natives, very natural looking with these stone walls we built. We built 3 stone terraces using field stone, and then these steppers down here. There's a couple layers of steppers throughout the garden and a couple sets of steps so the customer can walk through there and enjoy them. You know, one of the big advantages of using native plants is that they don't require a lot of watering. They're used to the environment and they don't get a lot of pests either, so that's real nice. We are seeing a little bit of deer damage on them, just some nibbling, nothing too bad, but this garden came out spectacular. Can't wait to see it when everything is in flower. I have a few things right now, but native gardening, native plants, it's the way to go. Take care.